I did have another video ready for today, but unfortunately that sponge float video deleted itself. So here we are with the best way to clean a plastering job. This is with a product that we call Size. I will put the chemical name for it. Basically Size just slows down the plaster. We typically use it for plaster of Paris, fine cast plaster, mold making plaster basically. Welcome back guys. So in the bucket here I have it's actually very well diluted plastering retardant. If you just look, you can sort of see it just oily looking at the surface, and what I'm doing with it is ice and trowels. Look at that for muscle time. Cracked. I'm going to cut that up again for another wee video, making another midget trowel out of it, and maybe make it a wee bit different than the other one. Maybe keep it long at the back, but that's another video. It's not the dirtiest trowel. Still has some skin stuck to it, the handle and stuff, but this one will submerge for me completely. And up next, this is another Marshalltown. The bucket's not the best. It's not really the widest bucket, but this one's covered in acrylic render. So taking acrylic render off is difficult. You can see the handle, that's all acrylic render guys. It's well stuck on. You can see just the very edge is clean. You can see the shine. The face, obviously the face of trowels are always pretty clean, although this one's exceptionally clean. So dunk that in, see how well it comes up. And try and get the handle of this one in too. Well, even half of it, and then we'll see how well the solution works. Next, Tyzac. This one's a good skimming trowel. Very dirty at the back as well, so I'll get that one in somewhere. Might need to top it up again with another bit of water, which again will only dilute this solution further. But I'm not intending on scraping any of these trowels. I want to soak them and have that do all my cleaning for me. So again, I'll just top this up with another wee bit of water. May need to add a wee bit more of the retardant in as well. Although I might leave it half in, half out for demo. Might be a good demo actually. You know what, I think I'll leave it like that guys. The water might soak up it anyhow. That is half in, although it probably will soak up. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm not going to dilute it further. Going to let it go, and we'll see after 2 days how well they come up. And like I said, I don't expect to be scraping these trowels. I expect them to be spotless when they come out. As clean as this one in fact. Everything is super fix. It's just dusty at the back, but it will come up. I'm thinking these trowels will come up like that, spotlessly clean. So we'll check back in a couple of days. Unfortunately for me, but fortunately for you, that'll be a matter of seconds. Right guys, so I'm back here. I think it's been 2 days, and as you can see I haven't scraped these. That's the trowel that was half in and half out, so hopefully I'll just, the rest just wiping off. You can see that. Just with a cloth, didn't want to be scraping and scraping. I'll just wipe it off. Wee bit still stubborn there, but the back half completely clean where it was dipped in. You can see the difference there. Where it was mostly in, it is clean. So I'll set that one. I think that was pretty good. And Knox trowel next. That was the Tyzac there. Again, this one was half in, a bit more symmetrical ways. See, it's wiping off too. And all this is water and some plaster and retardant. Left in steeping a couple of nights. I'm trying to give the back a wipe here where it's kind of soaking up in. It's not coming off too great, so you would need to have it fully submerged. I'm trying not to cut myself here too. In the back. Kind of shows you the result. Difference of that. So this one to me was the dirtiest trowel. The bottom was always pretty clean anyway. And like I said, they're acrylic. I wasn't really expecting it to come off too much. But let's find out. It's coming off a wee bit off the handle there. Let's see. Now, acrylic's a rubber based render, synthetic. See how well it's loosened up off this trowel. Not great, but anywhere there's been skin or something, cement has come off there, so you can kind of see. Saying that, I think a wee scrape would take that off. Even so, it's a very hard substance to actually get away, the acrylic. You can see how loose that's came. And it's just with the cloth, so oh, not what I wanted. Gonna give it a wee quick scrape here, and then we'll have a look at that one, which wasn't too bad either, but just to see how loose it did come. Not bad. Anybody using acrylic renders will know how hard that is to keep your trowels clean. I'd say if I just left that in for maybe another 2 days, all that would lift a lot easier without actually needing to scrape at it. So I think that's what that one will get. It'll get another dunk. Saying that, the only thing I use that trowel for now is it's a Marshalltown. It's very, very sharp. The only thing I use that for now is actually acrylic. Don't use it for anything else at all. So the last trowel, the bottom was a bit dirty on this one. Again, that's just a broken trowel, another Marshalltown, snapped. Wasn't very old, to be honest, actually. That one's well outlived this one. So just been using it for a scraping trowel. It's actually pretty clean. It shows you how not old it really actually was. But again, sand and cement was stuck to that. That one's actually not actually coming up too good either. There. That was underneath everything. It's not too bad. Obviously, you can jump back to the start. I might try and put the video side by side at some points to show you how clean the trowels come up. Bits of everything stuck on them. Again, that's just a cloth, obviously. You see, it just takes the skin off and the bottom off very, very easily. Sand and cement and acrylic, wee bit tougher, but it is loosening there, like, so definitely the retardant is good for keeping them clean. So that's that video. And you can see the difference. It's definitely worth the treat on them. Again, that half. That's a hell of a difference. So now I'm just going to turn these around and finish them off. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. If I find anything better than that, I'll let you know.
to Daddy.